I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the Zoom account that can access the recording and your phone is online. Once done, find the recording link in your email, chat, or the Zoom app under Recordings or Shared. Make sure to use the account that received the recording invite, otherwise you'll hit permission blocks. If you intend to save the video, free up a bit of storage first. Now open the link or tap the recording entry to begin. Next, access the recording itself. If you're in the Zoom app, go to Meetings, then Recorded or My Recordings to find the cloud file, tap it and choose Play to Stream. If you received an email link, open it in your browser, sign in if prompted, and tap the play button. Once you see playback controls, you can adjust quality or choose download if the host enabled downloads. For shared local files, open them with the phone's video player or the Zoom app if available. To finish, use the playback controls to watch or scrub to the part you need. Long press or use download/save to keep a copy. Once saved, you can share it to cloud storage or messaging apps. If something goes wrong, first confirm you're signed into the correct Zoom account and that the host allowed viewing or downloads. Make sure the Zoom app is updated, and if playback still fails, open the recording link in your phone browser as an alternative. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.